Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Real Debrid with Stremio. Alright, let's begin. First of all, make sure you have Stremio downloaded and installed. If you don't have it, then just follow along. Simply open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Stremio. A bunch of search results will then start appearing on your screen. Simply open the download web link and then download the version your OS supports. Once installed, open a new tab and search for Real Debrid. Now open the official website and click on the login button at top right corner. After signing into your account, you will be redirected to this web page. Here, you just need to scroll down a little bit and choose one of the available plans. Once selected, click on the subscribe button, accept terms and conditions, and then pay using the preferred method. So that's basically how you can use Real Debrid with Stremio. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.